Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I am drawing an elephant. Let's draw and paint them together. First, draw letter E. Let's turn it to an elephant now. Please try to draw with me. Look, so easy. Hey, hi. I am Ellie, the elephant. Do you know I am the largest land animal on earth? I have big body, long trunk, and large ears. Do you know I am known for my intelligence? Let's paint together now. If you like me, you can subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.